Hey there, Jackie here from Interact, and I want to show you how to put a pop-up, a quiz pop-up on your Kajabi landing page or website. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to first open our Interact account. So here I am on the website. I'm going to click login. And then what's your leadership style is the quiz that I want to pop up when somebody gets onto my Kajabi website. So click here on share and embed, and then you're going to go to pop up. And if you scroll down here to activate the quiz to promote, you're able to promote one quiz in your account at a time via a pop-up or announcement bar. So I'm going to toggle this on because this is the quiz that I want to appear in the pop-up. You're able to change the background color of your pop-up, also set a timer delay or a hiatus. So we would recommend a 5 to 10 second delay so that the pop-up doesn't appear immediately when somebody gets onto your page, but rather it's more noticeable when there's a little delay. And you can also set a hiatus, meaning once someone sees your pop-up, it won't appear again for this number of days. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a 10-day hiatus. Now, back up at the top, I'm going to click on copy code, and I'm going to go over to my Kajabi account. So here I am in Kajabi. I'm going to click on website. And this is just me opening up my website in Kajabi. So mine is right here within the design section. You can also find your website or other landing pages here in the pages section. Website, here is mine. If you did create a landing page, it'll be just under this tab. So this is my website that I want the pop-up to appear on. I'm going to click on customize. And then in this menu on the left, I'm going to scroll down and click add section. And then all the way at the bottom of this list is custom code. So I'm adding this custom code section by clicking on it and then clicking add. So here is that custom code section. I'm going to click on add content. I lied. I'm going to click on custom code, and then I can add the code right in here. So just to show that again, once you've added the code, you want to click on it and then paste in the code from your Interact account right here. Click save. And then here is the pop-up that we just saw. So that happened pretty quickly. You'll see that once the code goes onto the page. Because this is in just an edit mode, it has been sort of flashing on and off. So what you'll want to do is after you've saved the page, you can either preview it, which I'll do, or you could just test the live version, just to make sure that your pop-up does appear within the time frame that you set it. So again, here it is. I can click take quiz, and then my quiz takers, or rather my website visitors, are able to take my quiz right from the pop-up. And that is how you embed a quiz pop-up, or rather put a quiz pop-up onto your Kajabi website.